Hey guys, so here is the next step. This is what we are learning today. Well, you guys are learning it on your own. So here's a video of everything about basically summing up this whole lesson in like 5-10 minutes. Fingers crossed, right? You got this. Today we are doing parallel and perpendicular slopes. I know it sounds a lot harder and scarier. It's really not that hard, as I promise. I promise you, it's not that hard. I promise. Let's get to work. So, first part, parallel slopes. Parallel lines. If two lines are parallel, lines are parallel, they have the same slope. Now the symbol for parallel is just this. It's two lines. I do them on a slant so it doesn't look like a 11. Alright? Now questions, they will ask something, they will say, ask the question like this. So let's do an example. I'm not going to write it all out, so you could always replay this. It will say, write an equation of a line that goes through the point -3, 5 and is parallel to the line y is equal to 2x minus 4. So it needs to go through the point -3, 5. And it has to be parallel to this y is equal to 2x minus 4. Now you guys learn two different ways to write an equation of a line. My favorite is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So, what is my slope of this line? Remember, this is your m. Your m is equal to 2. 2. X. What is your x value that we're using here? In this point, because now we have to write the equation of this line that is parallel, going the same way as this guy. Right here, this one, using this point. So we need to take the slope from his and use this point. So our x value is -3, so -3. Y minus 5. So y minus 5 is equal to 2 times x plus 3. That is doing it with point slope. Now, if you wanted to do it in the y is equal to mx plus b, you take your point. Your slope, again, is still 2 plus b. You're using the point -3, 5. -3, 5. 5 is equal to -6 plus b. Add 6. b is equal to 11. Y is equal to 2x plus 11. And that is the equation in slope intercept 4. So parallel is pretty simple. It's cut and dry. Now, let's erase. Now perpendicular. That perpendicular. The slopes are negative reciprocals. Now a negative reciprocal is, so here is an example. You guys remember what a reciprocal is? That means you flip the fraction. So say my slope 2/3, I want to reciprocal it. It's 3/2 and make it negative. So basically changing the sign. So if it goes from positive, it's going to be negative. Now, if I started off with a negative slope, let's say -10/30, that negative reciprocal is going to be 30/10. That's it. So you gotta flip it and reverse it. Put the thing down, flip it and I think you guys are a little too young for that song, but we're gonna go with it. Put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. Is your... I'm sorry, I did not plan very well for this. I need to find an equation. Okay, so let's do an example. I'm so sorry about that. So again, I'm going to read the example. I do not feel like writing. So the example is, write an equation of a line that is perpendicular to this line y is equal to -2x plus 4 and goes through the point -3, -2. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys the symbol for perpendicular. It's really cute. It's an upside down T. That's all that is an upside down T. It's easy. So Here, we're gonna do our slope, the equation 2 ways again. First way, just because it's easy, y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. I keep losing you guys. So here, my original slope is -2. Now if I want to make it perpendicular slope, it's going to be 1/2. Now remember, that's over 1, so when I flip it, there's 1/2. So we're going to have y is equal to 1/2 times x. Now my point is -3, -2. I'm using this point. So y minus -3 times x minus -2. Again, you could leave it like this. It's okay. But I don't like it like that. Y plus 3 is equal to 1/2 times x plus 2. Now if I want to do using y is equal to mx plus b. So again, my original slope is still -2. To make it perpendicular, it's equal to 1/2. And my point is -3, -2. So it'll be -2 is equal to 1/2 times 3 plus b. It's beautiful, right? So we have -2 is equal to 3 over 2 plus b. Subtract 3 over 2. B is equal to -7 over 2. So your equation is y is equal to, I forgot my slope, 1/2 x minus 7 over 2. There we go, everyone. So, perpendicular lines. You flip the slope, you flip it. So basically negative reciprocal. You flip the fraction. And change the sign. Alright, so we'll go through this together as a class tomorrow. I hope you guys understand. Try your best. You got this. Work on the worksheet in the class notes linked in below. Alright, bye guys.